Hi SalSal Technologies presents the innovative IT solutions. They are known for their cost-effective approach, helping businesses save money and maximize their resources. Their expertise includes Microsoft Teams, Cisco Expressway, and other essential IT tools. Technologies understands the unique challenges businesses face in today's digital world. They know technology is expensive, so they aim to find affordable and efficient solutions. Their goal is to help businesses thrive and achieve their full potential. Microsoft and Cisco. They offer a comprehensive range of services, including cloud computing and cybersecurity. They also specialize in data storage, network infrastructure, and system integration. Their team of experts is highly skilled and dedicated to excellence. Microsoft Technologies is a trusted partner, helping businesses optimize their IT systems and allowing them to focus on growth and innovation. Their commitment to excellence is unmatched, and they strive for complete customer satisfaction in every project.
Section 5. Microsoft 365. Empowering remote work. Microsoft 365 is a suite of cloud-based services. It includes Microsoft Teams, a powerful tool for communication and collaboration. It also offers a range of other applications that enhance productivity. This includes essential tools like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Microsoft 365 is specifically designed to support remote work environments. It allows employees to access their files from anywhere in the world. All they need is a stable internet connection to stay connected. One of the key benefits of Microsoft 365 is its incredible flexibility. Employees can work from home, a coffee shop, or even while traveling. This gives them greater freedom and control over their work-life balance, leading to increased satisfaction. Microsoft 365 also promotes seamless collaboration among team members. Multiple users can work on the same document simultaneously, in real time. This makes it easier to work together on projects, no matter where team members are located.
Section 6. Microsoft 365 and remote work, a perfect pairing. The COVID-19 pandemic changed the way we work. Remote work became the norm. Businesses had to adapt quickly. They needed tools to support remote work. Microsoft 365 emerged as a leading solution. It provided everything businesses needed. It allowed for seamless collaboration. It enabled employees to stay connected. Microsoft 365 offers a range of features. These features support remote work. This includes video conferencing and instant messaging. It also includes cloud storage and file sharing. The benefits of Microsoft 365 for remote work are clear. It increases productivity. It improves communication. It also reduces costs. Section 7. Cisco MRA Unified Communication for Businesses. Cisco Meeting Server, or Cisco MRA, is a platform. It provides video conferencing and collaboration tools. It's designed for businesses of all sizes. It offers a range of features. Cisco MRA allows users to connect from anywhere. They can use any device. It supports high-quality video and audio. This makes it ideal for meetings and webinars. Security is a top priority for Cisco MRA. It uses advanced encryption protocols. This ensures that meetings are private and secure. Cisco MRA is a comprehensive solution. It meets the needs of modern businesses. It's a powerful tool. It enhances communication and collaboration. Section 8. Microsoft 365 versus Cisco MRA. A comparative analysis of voice and video capabilities. Microsoft 365 and Cisco MRA are both powerful platforms, each offering unique advantages. They offer a range of features designed to enhance business communication and collaboration. However, there are some key differences between the two, especially when it comes to voice and video capabilities, which can impact user experience. Microsoft 365's voice and video capabilities are integrated into Microsoft Teams, providing a seamless experience. This makes it easy to make calls and host video conferences without leaving the Teams app, streamlining workflow. Cisco MRA, on the other hand, is a dedicated video conferencing solution tailored for high-demand environments. It offers more advanced features, including support for larger meetings and webinars, making it ideal for big organizations. It also offers higher video and audio quality, ensuring clear and professional communication. The best choice for a business will depend on its specific needs and priorities. If a business needs a simple and affordable solution for voice and video, Microsoft 365 is a good option, offering ease of use. However, if a business requires more advanced features and higher quality, Cisco MRA is the better choice, providing superior performance. Section 9. The benefits of choosing the right system. Choosing the right IT system is crucial. It can make a big difference. It impacts a business's success. The right system improves communication and collaboration. It also streamlines operations. One of the main benefits is increased productivity. When employees have the right tools, they can work more efficiently. This leads to better results. Another benefit is cost savings. By automating tasks and improving efficiency, businesses can save money. This allows them to invest in other areas. The right IT system can also improve customer satisfaction. By providing better communication and faster service, businesses can keep their customers happy.
Section 10. How Hi SalSal Technologies can help. Hi SalSal Technologies are London-based IT consultancy. They help businesses choose the right IT solutions. Their team of experts has extensive knowledge. They understand the latest technologies. They take a consultative approach. They work closely with their clients. They understand their specific needs. They recommend the best solutions. Hi SalSal would provide guidance and ongoing support. They ensure their clients get the most out of their IT investments. They offer training and maintenance services. Choosing the right IT solutions can be daunting. Hi SalSal Technologies makes the process easy. They help businesses find the right solutions. These solutions fit their budget and their needs.
Section 11. Conclusion. In today's digital age, IT solutions are no longer optional. They are essential for businesses of all sizes. Cisco Expressway Cost, Microsoft Teams and Microsoft 365 are just a few examples of the many solutions available. By understanding these technologies and their benefits, businesses can make informed decisions about their IT investments. Partnering with the experienced network consultant like SalSal Technologies can help businesses navigate the complex world of IT solutions and find the best options to meet their specific needs and budget. By embracing technology and leveraging the power of IT, businesses can unlock new levels of productivity, collaboration, and success.